what you really mean to me. Every day I will remind you. Oh, find out.
Ladies and Board of Directors, Board of Governors of IIIT Allahabad, Sri Ravi Kant, Honorable Director Professor G.C. Nandi, and the members of Senate and Board of Governors. The procession will be led by Secretary of Senate.
May I now request you all to rise for the national anthem.
And learning.
I would now like to invite our chief guest, Dr. F.C. Kohli, our chairman, Board of Governors, Sri Ravi Kant, and our honorable director, Professor G.C. Nandi, to kindly come up for the Malyarpan and lighting of the lamp, symbolic of knowledge.
Padma Bhushan Honorable Dr. F.C. Kohli was born in Peshawar and after receiving his degree from MIT Cambridge, USA, proceeded to work with Ibasco International Corporation. Dr. Kohli returned to India in 1951 and joined the Tata Electrical Companies. He soon rose to the position of Deputy General Manager in 1967. In 2002, he was awarded the Padma Bhushan, India's third highest civilian honor, for his contribution to the Indian software industry.
I'd now like to request our Honorable Director, Sir, Professor G.C. Nandi, to welcome the Chief Guest, Dr. F.C. Kohli, with a bouquet. I'd now like to request Honorable Director Professor G.C. Nandi to welcome the Chairperson, Sri Ravi Kant, with a bouquet.
Honorable Chairman, sir, I now request you to declare this convocation open.
I declare the convocation open.
Thank you, sir. May I now request our Honorable Director, Professor G.C. Nandi, to present the Director's report.
Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. F.C. Kohli, recipient of our country's third highest civilian award, Padma Bhushan, for his pioneering contribution in the Indian software industry. Honorable Mr. Ravi Kant, Chairman, Board of Governors of our Institute, all members of the Board of Governors, Academic Senate, and other governing body members, invited dignitaries, guests, member of the press, and electronic media, all graduating and postgraduating students and their family members, all members of the faculty, staff and students, I warmly welcome you all on this auspicious occasion of the 11th convocation of the Institute. We feel privileged and honored to have Mr. F.C. Kohli with us as a chief guest today. He is considered to be the father of Indian software industry due to his tremendous contribution in this area. To be frank enough, there was very little recognition of Indian software industry before him. He worked tirelessly through Tata Group to establish the Indian software brand, especially in the service sector. You and our alumni are a direct beneficiary of that brand. As a brilliant student, as a genius professional leader, and as an excellent human being with amicable nature, he has achieved several laurels. We are especially fortunate to have him as our Chairman, Board of Governors from 2004 to 2009, and during this period, many world-class infrastructural facilities were created at our institute, and many world-class international outreach programs were organized, which helped to establish IIITA brand globally. In 2007, IIITA Allahabad was ranked among top 10. In fact, it ranked 8th among all the engineering institutions in our country by India Today ranking. Starting from a very humble beginning with 60 students for BTech Information Technology degree course in 1999, in a somewhat makeshift arrangement in Nehru Science Center of Allahabad University, the institute has witnessed a tremendous all-round growth. At present, we have spread over 92.05 acres of land with 1,923 students on roll. We have two flagship undergraduate programs, BTech in Information Technology and BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering with 1,211 students. We have several 5 years long BTech, MTech dual degree programs with 352 students on roll with specializations in software engineering, robotics, human-computer interaction, cyber law and information security, bioinformatics, biomedical engineering, intelligent systems, microelectronics, and wireless communication engineering. All our undergraduate and BTech, MTech dual degree admission is through All India Joint Entrance main examination. We are very happy to see that year after year, our opening and closing ranks are improving substantially. We also have 2 years long MTech program with 219 students on roll and MBA program with 15 students. We have introduced a minimum 4-year-long MTech PhD dual degree program and PhD program in all the above mentioned specializations with 126 students on roll. Admission to all our postgraduate program, that means MTech and MTech